Have you ever wanted to time travel? Well, in a way you can. The city is looking for compelling submissions for its next time capsule. Your words or art could reach Westmounters 100 years from now. You can draw a picture, write a poem, or compose a short text on the theme Westmount, now and beyond. To participate, pick up your special kit at Westmount Public Library or Victoria Hall. Submissions will be exhibited in the gallery at Victoria Hall, and those selected for the new time capsule will be chosen by popular vote. Get your entry in by Monday, September 12th. Westmount of the future awaits.